called weird and all kinds of names, which is okay, because I am kind of weird. But I came up here just to sing a song for Miss Sandy Maynard. She never comes, well, I don't know if ever, but she rarely comes to the coffee house, so she doesn't experience the wonderfulness of my singing.
Oh, it's so great.
But anyway, so, oh well, you know, I mean,
these 7 things the Lord hates.
Uh-oh. He, you know, he reprimands me periodically, but you know, you can almost hardly keep a good girl down. All right. So it's beginning to rain, okay? And I found another verse that I hope will work, you know, because new verses are hard for me. Let me just tell you the little bit of past that I have. I didn't know about a radio or a TV or music of any kind till I was like about 13 or 14 years old. So, you know, that will explain a lot.
Wow.
Okay. Hello, Michelle.
Hi, Michelle.
We're going to start off with, it's beginning to rain, 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 hear the voice of my Father, saying, whosoever will come drink of this water, I promise to pour my Spirit out on your sons and your daughters. If you're thirsty and dry, look up to the sky. It's beginning to rain. The turtle dove is singing its sweet song of morning. All the leaves on the trees turn their silver cups to the sky. The silent clouds above are beginning to gather. The barren land is thirsty, and so am I. It's beginning to rain, rain, rain. Hear the voice of the Father, saying, whosoever will come drink of this water, I promise to pour my Spirit out on your sons and your daughters. If you're thirsty and dry, look up to the sky. It's beginning to rain. At the first drop of rain that you hear, throw open the window. Go call all your children together, throw wide the door. When the rains of the Spirit are falling, fill every vessel. For he who drinks his fill will thirst no more. It's beginning to rain, rain, rain. Hear the voice of the Father, saying, whosoever will come drink of this water, I promise to pour my Spirit out on your sons and your daughters. If you're thirsty and dry, just look up to the sky. It's beginning to rain. If you're thirsty and dry, lift your hands to the sky. It's beginning to rain.